Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Chat as a Polish translator. So, let us get started. To begin, open your browser and type bing.com. And if you haven't logged in yet, make sure to do so before we proceed. Imagine effortlessly translating Polish content into English using Bing Chat. It is easier than you might think. Just contribute your Polish text to the chat, then type "Translate this in English" and hit enter. Watch as Bing Chat deftly conveys the meaning of Polish words, seamlessly translating them into English. But the journey through the language doesn't stop there. If you are curious about the Polish equivalent of an English term, the process remains intriguing. Just as before, say, "Translate this to Polish" before inputting your chosen English text. Observe as Bing Chat adeptly responds, providing the precise Polish translation. While Bing Chat's capabilities are impressive, it is important to remember that accuracy can vary, especially in complex or sensitive contexts. Seeking a second opinion for important decisions is always a wise choice. Thanks for tuning in. You are now ready to use Bing Chat as your Polish translation tool. I hope this video helps you out, and see you in the next video.